Welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. And look who we have here. It's the remaining Addylings. And with the Mr. Teeny with his big brothers. He just loves being with the big duckies. And yet they're all the same age. And Teeny is best friends with Huey, who he's standing right next to, and Huey's just sat down. He's got a nice white chest. So they are very good friends, which is lovely. But Teeny is so tiny. And then, who do we have here? Hey Misty! Misty was off to the vet yesterday and we didn't get her back until today. She's got a urinary tract infection and so she's on antibiotics and very happy to be home. And of course she didn't want to go to the toilet at the vet's, which they needed her to give a urine sample. So she didn't give one until, when was it? After lunch today, even though she went there before lunch yesterday. So naughty girl. And then of course she gets home and does a ginormous poo. And here's our beautiful little ducklings. Teeny is just so happy. He's a duck. And he's just so tiny. That is just so lovely. He's got his posse. Oh, you're all worn out. And someone else is worn out too. Hey Misty, you're gonna go and have a sleep too. Hey, on the nice warm grass clippings. Good girl. It's definitely getting windier and colder. So I better keep a little eye on my little Teeny, so that he doesn't get cold, because he hasn't got feathers like his brothers do. Silly things, they could have gone inside the house. Teeny doesn't know quite what to do. Good boy, Teeny. Oh. Night, guys. So that's all for this episode of Gardener Gone Wild. As Gardener goes to sleep, along with the duckies who go to sleep, and the pussycats. Everyone seems to be sleepy today. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about ducks, stay wild about all animals, and stay wild about sleeping. Bye bye. Ooh, and please remember to like, subscribe and leave us a comment, because that would be nice.